running?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? I'm getting first one. Did you get it? Keep it running.
Record another one.
Yeah, keep it going. Now he's about this pump now. Oh, good. Oh, I missed it.
Zoe, back up.
I'm going for that plastic.
The Gatorade one or
the one that's stuck in the ground, that plastic
the
one?
little one?
No, the
I
first one.
put a Gatorade ball.
Oh, yeah, okay. No, I'm going for the other one.
Alright. I'll shoot the can.
Okay.
The little silver can.
You got it going?
Unless you want me to shoot the other bottle.
Well, you go first.
Got that Gatorade bottle.
Did you shoot something?
Yeah, I got the Gatorade bottle. I think.
Hold on. I got that ball. Didn't fall. Shoot the same one I shot.
I shot the can. Did you see it roll down to the river? Did you see it on the video?
Okay, I'm going for that Gatorade.
We both
Both
shot
missed
it. No, we both shot it.
Okay. You stop it. This is what a pellet looks like. It's 177. Okay.
I already put it in there. Light bulb. Can you see the light bulb in the video?
Yeah.
Oh, we're excited.
You missed it.
It went through it, see?
Yeah, it does.
See a little hole in it? Might
Here,
have to get
hold
close
on.
to
Hey,
it.
Derrick, keep it rolling. Let me fire mine once. I'm a lot closer than you, though, so I can hit it. Got it.
You can see it falling here,
Yep.
too, on the video.
Nice.
I'm going to try to hit the little part of it before we go.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Nice.
See it fell over.
Yep.
Part.
Okay.